Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and tell you all about the details, and that's what I'm going to do. Check these out. My daughter is excited about these. These are some kind of chunky sandals for the summertime. You can see they are white and they have gold accents. You can see how shiny that gold is. It just pops. It's really amazing. It really kind of makes a standout statement there. And you can see also all the other little jump rings here. The rings between all the straps are also gold, so it just kind of has a theme going on. A couple quick things about it. It is a non-slip sole down here. It's kind of a rubber, so if you're walking in the vacation or around pools or with water, you shouldn't slide as much. The actual inside of the shoe itself, it's curved so your foot fits into it real nice. It's not real well padded because it's a flip flop. You don't want to have a lot of padding there because it'll kind of absorb that water. So instead, what it has is kind of a hard rubber, but it's contoured so your foot and my daughters are very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable. Now, a couple different things here. There are two straps. There's a strap across the top. Yes, that's Velcro or kind of a latch and hook system, so you can go ahead and loosen or tighten them as needed. And then you also have the same thing right here across the top of the ankle. So that's also really nice. So you can pull that out. You can kind of get the sizing just right, put your foot back in there, and then tighten it up as needed. They really are kind of a neat, funky looking shoe. When we opened them up, we were like, "Ooh, wow, look at these! What are these?" They're probably better for vacations, for pools and spas. They're probably a little dressy just for kind of a shower shoe or anything, but you could definitely go out on the town with these. You could go to like a pool party and then go ahead and wear these for the evening afterwards. They are flat, so they're easy to walk in as well. So if you're walking anywhere on vacation or cruising, these are the shoes for you. They just kind of really make a statement and they look really great.